Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the multi-axis operation Morph. So first of all we need to object. So I have a drawing. You will see. Now create this drawing in MasterCAM. So this is the section. The dimension is 12, 30, 10, 70 and 22. So now create in MasterCAM. So line, multi-line, give your value and lock your dimension. 12. Next dimension is 30. Now 10. Next is 70. Next is 22. And unlock your dimension and directly connect. Okay, now in solid and revolve your section. So click on revolve, select your chain, okay, select your axis and okay. Now alter 7, the isometric view. Now in label you will see our label is 1. Now I will create a new layer and right click and renumber means rename. So I will give name 222 and enter. Now this work is in level 1, but now we will work in new level 222. So again solid. So now the wireframe view is visible. So for hide this visible view, click on your solid object in home and click hide or unhide option. So you will see wireframe view is hide. So again alter 7. Now you will see in drawing. So now we will create this section. So first of all create a small circle. The two line, one is 30 and second is 330 means this angle, and now give radius 5. So in MasterCAM set right side view by alter 5. Change your visual style wireframe. So in wireframe circle, create your circle. The radius is 15. Okay. Now create a line by 2 endpoint. The length is 30 and the angle also 30. Now click this point. OK and create new. Now the length is 30 but the angle is 330 means 330. Now click this point. So OK, our two lines is ready. Now again line endpoint and connect these 2 points, first and second, and OK. Now trim your entity by divide and delete method. So select this line. OK. Now fillet, give your radius 5 and select these two sections and these two sections. OK. So I will change my view in shaded and now alter 7. So you will see our section is ready. So now by create this section, first of all create a helix for sweep this section. So in MasterCAM, in wireframe and create helix. So you will see I will click this point. Change my C plane in right side view. So give your radius 22. The height is minus 100. The pitch value is minus 200. So you will see. As per your requirement, your height is changed like 100 or minus 70 or minus 80. Okay. So now our helix also create. So in solid and sweep, select your section, OK, and select your chain. So you will see this is apply. Now select the method of cut body and OK. So you will see our object is cut in this part. Now again hide your wireframe view. So select your solid object in home and click on hide or unhide option. Again, so you will see the wireframe view is hide. Now alter 5. Now this pattern is applied to circular pattern. So in solid, click on circular pattern, select this section and again right side view. OK. So you will see our object is 2. So I will change 3. Click on full circle. So you will see OK and again alter 7. So now our object is ready. You will see in the drawing. Okay. So now MasterCAM and apply a morph operation on this object. So now click on machine, meal and default and set toolpath. Now first of all in wireframe and select curve 1 edge and select your corner point, this one. OK and create new and this one. OK. So you will see these two curves are ready. Now in toolpaths, in multi-axis operation, select move. Toolpath type is move. Your tool selection, so click on filter, select none, select this one, OK, select library tool. Now select your tool as per your requirement. I will select the 6 dia tool and OK. Holder selection, select your holder. In cut patterns, the pattern from selection of curve, so click on this arrow, select this curve and select this curve. OK. Now the pattern, so select this curve. OK. The dry surface, so click on this arrow and select these all faces. Click on end selection. So now in advanced option, no change. In parameter, no change. The tool axis control, so select 5 axis and the tool axis, select your option surface. In collision control, no changes. OK. So in linking, select approach from rapid distance. In last exit also retract to rapid distance. Now in default link, small gaps, follow surface and again follow surface. So now in default lead in out the tangential arc and select tangential and copy. So OK. Now you will see our toolpath is ready. So now for apply this toolpath on these 3 other slot. So click on toolpath transform. But first of all select your operation, click on toolpath transform, rotate. Now in rotate folder, your object means your slot is 3 and the angle is 90. OK. So you will see the tool path is create, but again again change your rotation plane. So select your right side plane, OK and OK. Now regenerate. So you will see all toolpath is ready. But if we check in backplot operation, so you will see now the tool retract value is changed. The tool retract value is need to change because you will see the tool is directly passed in our object. So in move operation, select your parameter. Now change your rapid distance like 40. OK and regenerate your operation. Now our next operation also regenerate. So we will see. Now we will check in verify selected operation. But first we need to select stock. So in revolve, select this section, OK, and in wireframe select your axis, OK, and again shaded view. So our stock is ready. In toolpath, stock setup, the solid object and select this part. OK. Now select all operation and verify selected operation. So OK. So you will see our operation is performed and now our object is ready. I will hide the tool and axis and glue mount. So you will see our object is now ready. If you give a perfect value of this cut, so your face is more smooth. Like I will close this view. In parameter, in cut pattern, this is a step over. So I will change this value is 0.2 and OK. Now regenerate all operation. Now verify selected operation. Now after operation our object is look like this one. You will see. Okay, I will close this view and your final object is look like this one. So this is a morph operation. In next lecture we will discuss multi-surface operation. Thank you friends.